In today's strategy, I'm going to show you how people are making thousands of dollars uploading videos on YouTube without even showing their face. I'm going to show you proof today that this is actually happening and what you can do to replicate the same and obtain the same type of results. Just make sure to watch the entire video until the end so you don't miss out in any important step. And if you want me to keep sharing the latest strategies on digital marketing so you can benefit from them, share in the comments what would you like to do with the money that you receive. My goal is to help at least 1,000 people to become millionaires. So if you share the reasons why you would like to become one, it will be very inspiring for the whole community. And if you like this type of videos, the best thing you could do for the channel will be to give us a massive like so we can keep bringing you the latest strategies on digital marketing. So without any more delay, let me take you to the computer and let me show you every step of today's strategy. So in today's strategy, I will show you how people are making thousands of dollars on YouTube and how you can follow the same strategy and have similar results. So let's have one of the channels that I'm gonna show you today is called Billionaire Wolfgang, and as you can see here, it has got 40,000 subscribers and it has got 90 videos, which is not that amount of videos, okay? And actually you're gonna see, if you check on the videos and then we go and sort by the ones that are the most popular, you can see that they created a video like 1 year ago and it has got 1.5 million views. And as you can see, all the other videos that they have, they actually have ton of views. And the good thing about it is, like, you can see the thumbnails are not very complex. It's something that you can do starting from today and you won't be spending a lot of time doing it, okay? So as well, I'm gonna show you how much they're actually making in online. I'm gonna show you how much they're making with the ads, and as well I'm gonna show you that they have another alternative ways to make additional money. So for example, if we go into Social Bait and we check the monthly earnings, just keep in mind that this is not 100% accurate. So the number that you're gonna see here, the ranges, usually where it says is the maximum, like on this case that it says is 344 euros, it will be much more, you know. So at least you'll be looking at they're getting at least, I will say, double that or triple this amount of money, okay? So as you can see, they're actually making great amount of money with just not that many uploads. So this is good. So if you keep watching the video, I'm gonna show you exactly what you have to do in order to do the same and get the same success, okay? So another channel that I want you to check is called Build Empire, okay? And Build Empire has got 138,000 subscribers, which is a great number of subscribers. And then you can see that again, the titles that they're using are very basic, and you can see that if we sort by the most popular, you can see that they've got videos that they posted like 1 year ago and they got 2.4 million views, and 2 years ago 1.4 million views. And then we're gonna see how these videos are. Let me show you, and I'm gonna show you that it's actually very simple for you to create something like this, okay? So what they're actually doing is just getting different lifestyle clips and they're putting it together, you know. I've switched off the music, but if you check, they've got as well a music, and this is something that you could combine and make very easy without any type of copyright problems or anything like that. So the good thing about this is, like, this type of videos kind of encourage or give inspiration towards the lifestyle that everybody wants to live, you know. So as you can see, the videos that they're creating, they know that long neither. So it's something that, as I said, that you could actually create, and then it's something that will motivate people because they've got a very nice videos, compilations of luxury lifestyle, and this is something that they really like. And as you can see on the description here, they've got different things that they are promoting. So for example, they're interested in making money in cryptocurrency. So what they are actually doing is they've created this landing page where they teach people how to do it, you know. Very simple landing page. It hasn't got no design or anything. They just pasting pictures together, and basically when you go to the end of this here actually it says click here to sign up right now. So you'll just sign up, and there you go. They take you to an affiliate product on digital store. So they actually making affiliate commissions, and this is the amount that they getting per channel, right? So they getting like for every single person that buys, they've got $300. So make your calculations here. If got 2 million people that have actually watched this video, 2 million people, just 10% of that actually buy. Imagine how much money they'll be making. So let's do 10% of 2 million, and let's say, so the 2% is of 2 million will be 0.2 million. Okay, so let's say 200,000 people, if they buy, they're making tons of money. They're making a lot of money, you know, just by selling affiliate products. And then let me show you, because they actually making money in a different way as well. So they additionally making money with ads. Okay, so we're gonna go into Social Blade and we're gonna check. You can see here they've got 112 uploads, which to be honest is not a lot of uploads. And look, they're making $3,000 per month just from ads, plus the affiliate commissions that they actually making. So this is actually a great opportunity for you to look into and start promoting this type of channel, and start creating a channel like this, so you can make tons of affiliate commissions, and as well you can actually get passive income. So let me actually show you how you can do this. So what we're going to do, we're gonna go to a website which is called Pexels, and then on Pexels you're gonna be able to look for lifestyle videos. Okay, so you click on lifestyle, and then you're gonna see pictures and videos. We are looking for videos. Okay, so then you can see something that actually looks very luxury. Let's go for luxury instead. Let's see what actually comes up. And then you can see, you know, there are so many different combinations of actually videos that you could use, and you can check the license here, and on the license you can see what is allowed. So it means like all photos and videos on Pexels are free to use. So this is something that you could use commercially and you could use on your YouTube channels. So we're just gonna go about and start downloading, so we can make a video and I can show you exactly how you can do this. So let's click on download. Let me just download few because I don't want to take much of your time, so then you can just get an idea of how to actually do this. Okay, so it'll be downloading, and then let's just download one more just for demonstration purposes. Okay, so once that you have your videos, I'm gonna show you how you can create your videos. Okay, so you can go to, for example, to iMovie, which I actually use on Mac, and then what you could do is you could just get, you know, your, let's go into here, we could go and get our video and actually upload it on iMovie. So let's go and upload it in Pro Media, and then you can start making your videos. And for the music, what you can do is you could go to your YouTube channel, and then if you click on the audio library, you could check actually in sound effects or in free music. You can search by different categories, and you can search by moods. Okay, and then for example we could use like a calm or inspirational mood, and then what you will be doing is you'll be downloading this and adding this music, which is you can upload. You could be uploading this music and you'll be uploading this music to your videos. Okay, so that's how you create your videos. You know, very simple. Just make sure that you have some transitions and so on. Very, you know, simple to use. The software, you can just go into, for example, transitions, and then you'll be adding different transitions and so on, and then it's how it works. You know, just make sure that you add like good quality videos, and at least make it 8 to 15 minutes long, the video. Okay, and then you could actually promote your offers by going to, you know, you could go to ClickBank, and then on ClickBank you could actually go to the marketplace, and then on the marketplace you will be able to promote different products, like it could be like e-business, education, or different things, you know, as well. If you can if you want to capture people's email address, I will advise you to go into ClickFunnels. I've left information about the ClickFunnels on the description. You can go and take on these channels. It will be the best thing that you could do just to learn how to grab email addresses on landing pages, like the landing page that I actually showed you, which was the one on the $1 billion on the Bill Empire channel. Like I showed you this one. I'm gonna show you what else do they have here. And then they're promoting a Fiverr service, which I wouldn't do, but then as I show you here, they actually promoting a product on digital store, which I'm gonna show you in a minute as well. So this is the product that we're promoting, the Crypto Quantum Leap, and then here they're promoting the Tooth Mastery, which is actually another course that they're promoting on digital store. So you could go to digital store, and then you could just create your own account, and then you'll be able to start promoting these products when you go to the marketplace. So it's another sort of income. You could actually go and start making profit with these websites. Okay, so actually, and as well, the good thing is, like, once that you have created your videos of lifestyle, and once that you reach like 1,000 subscribers and you reach the 4,000 hours watched, then you're gonna be able to get paid by ads. Okay, so this is all for today's strategy. Something very simple to implement. I hope that you like it. I hope that you enjoy it. If you did, please give me a massive like, because that will really help me to keep bringing you the latest strategy on digital marketing. And if you take massive action and you make like 100 to 200 videos, you should be able to see results right away. So basically, don't hesitate on this. Take massive action, and I hope that you are very successful, as all people that are doing this, they are. So I hope that it was useful, and I will bring you very soon with more strategies on the digital marketing. And I hope that you are very successful, and have a great day and a great week, and we'll speak very soon. So take care now.